Hi, my name is Jeffrey Ling. I'm a director from Architect 61. I must congratulate Rita today for organizing this talk. It's very enlightening. There's a lot of issues that we all not aware of, and mainly because as practitioner we are not into details of tax. And today is quite enlightening because we get to know a lot of issues that we are totally not familiar, and at least we now aware of certain things that we need to do or to get prepared or and to understand how income tax operate also. Thank you.
My name is Sheah. I'm from the Tax Trade and Wealth Management Practice Group of Wong&Patners. I found today's session very insightful, and it was very helpful that both the authorities and industries came together, and the advisors actually gave their insights from both an advisor and authority point of view. And I hope that REHDA will be organizing more of these events in the future.
Hi, I'm Sann from Deloitte. Deloitte Tax. I'm actually the Associate Director of Deloitte Tax Investigation. So actually, I'm being invited to join this so-called seminar. Actually, for me, it's actually a refresh course so that I can understand more what is actually currently being involved in this industry, especially the corporate construction and developer industry, which REHDA Institute is related. So of course, I feel it very interesting and comprehensive. I meet all of my friends, all my clients also. So hope you can enjoy this seminar. Thank you very much.
I'm Miss Loke. I came from Manting, Negeri Sembilan. Why I'm being here? Because to learn more things and get more knowledge about the tax issue. And thankful to our company board of director because sending three of us to KL to learn from the REHDA. Thank you very much.
Good afternoon, Rita. I'm proud and happy to join your session today, whereby it is the new year and it's very informative to be in this sharing session, not just with the fellow people in the industry, but also we hear views from the authorities. We do have people from customs, from the tax authorities to share their views about compliance measure. There are four very important things I learned from today's session. Number one, when you handle your compliance, be very sure that you cooperate and provide good information to the authorities that you're in good governance position. Number two, what I appreciated Rita doing is that their continuous effort to update members on the current affairs and issues. Third and most important point is that when you interact with all your fellow members and also people from authorities, you have an outside view of what measures you can do to improve your governance. My fourth and last point may not be the fourth, but I think it's most critical. Like what Datuk Som, your Honorable Deputy President of REHDA says, in all wealth building process, there's two things certain in his view. But to me, two things is certain. Number one, pay your tax. And number two, be happy about it. Thank you very much.
Hi, my name is Ewing Ping. I'm the Honorary Tax Advisor for Master Builders Associations Malaysia and also the Country Tax Leader for Deloitte Malaysia. So I'm here as an audience and also as a panelist to the forums for this seminar. I find it very useful. In fact, it's a very good forum and pertinent issue for the developers now is the tax audit and investigation. We know that the Inland Revenue officers, they are quite active in this particular space. And I think through these sessions where it involve the industry players, the tax authorities, and also the professionals that can all come together to look at these issues and see how we can resolve them and come to an amicable way to address the tax issues. There are certain things that are in gray area, and I really hope that there will be follow-up discussion and dialogue among all the stakeholders to see how the tax rules can be more clearly set and addressed so that the compliance of it would become very smooth. I don't think there's tax players that would like to evade and avoid tax in this present juncture and era. more like whether they are fully aware of the tax rules, or are there gray area that they may not know how to apply the correct tax treatment. So it's for all the stakeholders to come together to see how we can together make a more conducive, friendly business environment for taxpayers to pay the right amount of tax, and also for the tax authority to collect the right amount of tax for nation building. With that, thank you.